Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. Today we are going to be taking all this stuff here out of the holiday lip kit from Sephora. It's this kit right here. I picked this up early from the Sephora Rouge thingamabob thing, you know, where you can get it like early access. And I thought I'd share the show and tell here because you might be like me and totally miss the fact that most of this is not like opaque color, all right? Still worth the money, but I wanted to show you what they look like for all my lippy girls. Here we go, and we are left with a turquoise soft makeup bag. What it says is we get a full-size Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in Pillow Talk, a Glossier full-size lip in red, that's this right here, Huda Beauty Mini Lip Contour. Those lip pencils from Huda are yes, I really love Huda's lip pencils. Pat McGrath Lab, it's a mini lipstick in Romantic Nude Pink. A full-size Patrick Ta, which is right there. It's a plumping gloss, okay. Rare Beauty full-size glossy lip balm and a Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump in Cherry Blossom from Tarte. So I don't have on any foundation, I just have on eye makeup, and my lips are nude because we're going to try all these on. In addition to that, I thought it would be fun. Mercier sent over these. They're in here for a reason. These are really good. I'm going to have to look up and see what they're called. Apparently they're not new, not brand new, but I've never had this particular kind of lip product from them before. I love these because they leave a stain on your mouth, so they stay a good long time. And some of you have been wanting me to try on these new Sigma lip creams that are fantastic. I love each one of these. And let's start with this lip cheat. Just want to see this. I used up my Pillow Talk lipstick, so blah. Charlotte's formula is dry, I think. But you know, a drier pencil does keep the lip in. I like to do Lisa Eldridge's, the way she does lips. I prefer that, where you put the lipstick on and then you outline. But that's what color that is. I'm glad to have that. I'm really glad to have this. I want to see this color. I hope it's good. Anyway, that's why I didn't put on a foundation. Maybe we'll be able to use this one as a lip liner for two of these other products at least. So let's see what this one looks like. Huda's is more creamy. I'm happy to have this too. The Charlotte is kind of loose in there. I hope that doesn't come out. We have this from Rare Beauty. I think it would kind of go with it, right? I think that these kits are a fantastic way to get to try things at an affordable price. $45 for all of this is great. This is a lip balm in Nearly Neutral. I mean, I don't like that look where you can see the outline of, you know what I mean? But that does feel good. Let's wipe it off. Let's try this from Tarte. Ooh, that feels really good. It's a lip plump in Cherry Blossom. Okay, let's all have a good laugh. Right? Like I can't see. Actually, I just didn't care. I just didn't care that I've got one side of my mouth with Huda lip liner on one side of the upper lip. Yeah, I just didn't care. I'm so focused on this. That's called doing a good job. I'm so focused on the product. This feels really good. I can taste the mint in it. I thought one of these was a liquid lip, but they seem to like, this is a balm. Put that on again for you. Feels really good. And if you look at the spot on my lip, you can get a gauge for the opacity on this. Yeah, that feels lovely, but I can still feel a tingle from this. I'm gonna like that. Put that on again. This feels like a really juicy lip balm. This from Tarte is a lip plump. And you can see that that lip balm had a little bit of opacity to it because it covered that brown spot on my mouth. Whereas this one doesn't, but I really like this. Sexy Mother Pucker has more intensity. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme XL. It has more. This would be more like Buxom, I think. And let's try this Patrick Ta. See that? This is a lot more wet, and as you can see, it's really glossy and you can see right through it. This smells like it's got like a cinnamon in it. If this gets in your mouth, you can taste kind of a cinnamony kind. I mean, it feels good too, but I think of the 3 balm, aka plumper lips that I just tried for you, the Tarte is my preference. This is, again, a lip gloss. This one by Glossier is a full-size red. Let's try that and see what kind of pigmentation comes with Glossier. There you go. Just a little tiny bit of a cherry tint to it, right? In fact, there is one lip color. It's a little tiny. Isn't that just the cutest? Pat McGrath. I'm going to like this color. I can tell you right now. So, it's more of a peachy nude. So we've got 4 glosses, 2 lip pencils, and this little lip here. But the thing is, you get to try the different brands, right? So I think my favorite thing in this may be this by Tarte. Know that when I say that, I'm talking about of these glosses. Naturally, I like the Huda for color the best, and then the Pat McGrath, and then I guess the Charlotte Tilbury. That I really do think it's, even though her formula is dry, I think this might be dried up. But anyway, I'm just talking about in order of what I like for the gloss kind of products. I like that one a lot. And then next would be the rephr, then the Patrick Ta. Now, the Patrick Ta and the Tarte are actually plumpers. I like this formula. I've had a Pat McGrath. I've had a couple of her lipsticks before, but it's been a long time ago, so I had forgotten. And I think that Charlotte's Lip Cheats, they're still not my favorite. I'm never disappointed with a Huda lip pencil. So let's put that on. And then I'll put Patrick Ta over the top of this for our Lip Kit lip. Yeah, this smells like Christmas to me. It smells like a cinnamony kind of Christmas smell. This is a $45 kit, and you would definitely pay a lot more than that if you bought these, because there's like 3 full-size things in here. And don't forget that you get this nice little makeup bag, so soft. Right, I really like that. I'm going to put that there because I'm going to put some stuff in that. And this is just the cutest little thing to put in your purse, right? But you know what you can do with these is I do this kind of thing all the time. So if I hadn't used them, I would like wrap a present for somebody at Christmas, and then this would go on top of the present with the to and from card. So they get a little Patrick Ta or a little Pat McGrath, right, with the present. So that's a really nice value for $45. Now I'm going to wipe this off. Let's look at these Laura Merciers. I'm just going to show you one on my mouth. We'll do this one. It's Dash. So I'm going to put this on my mouth. And look, it's like a lipstick and gloss all in one. But it stains, okay? So let me show you these colors. This one here, these are so creamy and elegant, right? That's Dash. This one here is Joy, which doesn't show up on my mouth. Well, that's not exactly true. I mean, it does show up. You can see that I have something on. I'm not saying that in the nude sense. I'm saying that in the, it makes me go dead. Remember when Kathy Beauty Care Chats, when she used to say that shade makes her lips go dead? That's what this does. It makes me look like I'm sick. Also, you should know that Joy has a little bit of a shimmer to it. And then this one is Peak, and I like this one a lot. That one's Peak. All right, now the reason that I love these so much is because these stain my lips. So now I can wipe this off. And I've got a stain. And it stays around a good long time. Let's put that Glossier on top of this.
Why, you may say? Well, you know how you take a red lipstick and when you go out, then when you eat, it's all over, right? And it wipes off unnaturally and then it just doesn't look very good. But you could wear this lipstick and then before you eat, blot it off. And if you took the Glossier lip gloss with you, you wouldn't have to reapply. You could just put the gloss over the top of it and it would look great. And you wouldn't even need a mirror to do that because it's just a gloss.
Doesn't that look pretty? Just a little bit of cherry on top of that. So those are those 3 Laura Merciers. I've got their little crayon ones. I've got their lipstick. I love their lipstick. I've bought several of their lipsticks. But I wasn't expecting the staying power of these. I really wasn't. So let's get that off and we'll try on the Sigma lip creams, which I have to tell you are my favorite thing here. So you might remember that Sigma brought out lip oils, which are fantastic. Okay, I love those, but those are kind of sheer. And then they have their lipsticks, the Infinity lipsticks, which I'm absolutely still in love with these. Look at the Infinity point. See that point just stays there all the way to the end. These are really opaque. What if you could get something in between that was like the lipstick, but more creamy with like a gloss to it? Lip creams. And I love these. I already did an Instagram where I showed the different ones on my hands, but you guys have been wanting to see them on my mouth. This is Dapper. The Sigma ones have these really cushy, kind of big, but not clumsy at all. They feel great on your mouth.
For those Clarins fans out there, it's the exact same doe foot that Clarins has.
All right, so what I do is I just come like this, and I coat the bottom. And that's really all I gotta do. You see what I mean about being a lip cream and a gloss? They're real cushy, like an oil. Let me get one of their oils so you can see.
A few moments later.
This is one of their oils. It's almost gone because I love these so much. But you see, it's got that same doe foot. And what I love about the doe foots, you can't really see it that well here, but if we wipe this off, what I really love about these is, watch this. Okay, it's so comfortable to just put right in your mouth and go like that. Ta-da! That easy. So you don't even need a mirror with these. They're oils or these lip creams, either one. I don't even have to look in a mirror. I just do that. This one here is called Begonia. Now, I thought my favorite was Nude until I wore Begonia, and I thought Begonia would be too light. See? Isn't that pretty? Begonia. This one is Rosewood. And you saw I got it on my face. It just wipes right off. Not a big mess like you would have if you used a lipstick. This one is Nude. This is the one I thought was my favorite until I tried Begonia. I've had Begonia in my jean jacket pocket for a week. Since Nude lipstick is sitting in my Fritzyville basket, let's just put that right here so you can see the difference in the cream versus the lipstick. Okay, so there is the lip cream, and this is Nude, the lipstick. And this is the last one. It's called Dusty Rose. That's really pretty too. Yeah. So there you go. We've done a full mouth video. You got to see the new Sigma lip creams. You got to see the High Vibe Shine lipsticks from Laura Mercier. And you got to see everything included in the Sephora Favorites Holiday Lip Kit. Tell me below which was your favorite. And I want to tell you that you are the best part of the Fritzy family. And then if you're not having a blessed day, the way you get one is to go be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye. And I'm out.
We're going to go through this Sephora Lip Kit Holiday Lip Picks Kit. The new Sigma lip creams. I know that spot makes you think that I've been like kissing somebody's butt and that I have like poop on my mouth from kissing butt, but that ain't what that is. Sexy mother. Okay, we're gonna cherry bomb. Cherry bomb. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Mom. It's a cherry bomb. You hear my chair? It's like haunted house in here. Squeak, squeak, the monster mash. She squeaks on with a splash, the monster mash. It is a chair. Never mind. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. The monster mash. I got my twins unit biting me. It's biting me. It's biting me.